Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and we are on our last day of peaks. So I'm going to share the last stamp set in the box of the month for January, and I'm going to share the stamp and die of the month and also the paper pad subscription. I'm going to save the project for the hop that's tomorrow on the 1st at 9 a.m. along with the new release. So I love this stamp set. I think it's just a great set to have in your stash. So we've got 3 girls. They can be best friends, sisters. We've got sentiments, sisters make the best friends, besties forever. We've got 2 males, true friendship knows no distance, hashtag BFF, you're my person, better together. And then we have 2 girls holding wine glasses. And then we've got the sentiment, good friends, wine together, and I'm here for you. So I love the stamp sets. I think it's just gonna be like a good staple in my stash. So I'm gonna save that project for the hop tomorrow. I also wanna share the stamp and die of the month, which is super cute. So this is called Tons of Cute. We have these cute little elephants. We've got mommy and baby. Got that really cute little girl elephant. We've got an elephant on a cloud with star dangles. We've got an elephant on the moon. This one's so adorable. It's just, I love the expression on his face. And then a mommy and a baby. We've got sentiments, congrats on your little peanut. Thanks a ton. Love you, sweet dreams and smiles. Love that set. And here is the coordinating die. You'll see it cuts out all the images plus the sentiments and those little stars that are around your images. And we have coordinating paper pad for this. We've got Elephant Love, and we've got 4 of each design in here. Purple and teal for our color palette. The mood board is based on this color scheme. So if you want to do the card challenge, head over to the blog on the 2nd. That's when I post up the new challenge. We would love for you to link up for a chance to win a $15 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. So we have some purple hearts. Look at those cute elephants in the heart. There's like a striped background with floral and elephants. It's a really pretty patterns. Love the purple splatter. Those elephants are just adorable. So cute, and I love the color palette. Here's a nice, like a bamboo stripe. And then look at how pretty those images are. You can cut these out and add them to your card fronts. It's a nice polka dot. Nice stripe with florals on top. Just so cute. Isn't that just darling? And then the other paper pad is called Perfectly Snuggly, and this is a cat themed paper pad. We've got a kind of like a mauve and a peach for our color palette, and a gray. Look at that, that looks really cool. We've got some kitties, and the cat cup is really cute. Nice purple ombre glitter. Very cute kitty cats with little paw marks. Nice abstract design. A nice like watercolor wash with little paw marks everywhere. Very cute. And here are the cutouts for this paper pad. How cute is that? So look at this tier tray. It says coffee, tea, sugar. We've got little cat mugs. Little coffee press at the top. Coffee anyone? And then we've got a girl with her cat on her shoulder. She's wearing a cat sweater. And then we have a larger cat there. So fun. Love this. Really pretty color. That's really pretty. So I am loving this paper pad. So you get more than one sheet for your cutouts. You can make plenty of cards. So I hope you guys enjoyed all the sneak peeks. And are you ready for tomorrow's release? I can't wait to see you there. And I will have all the links in the description box for you. And if you joined any of the clubs, don't forget to choose the drop-down menu and choose monthly for your frequency. That will get you into the club and save you a discount. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you real soon. Bye, guys.